My name's Tim Drinkwater, the owner of Accurate Machine Products here in Janesville. So I've been in manufacturing, my whole life. I've always had a passion for problem solving and the customer service elements of it. Really enjoy working with our customers. We prefer the partnerships where we can provide value beyond just making widgets and can offer assistance in design elements or design for manufacturing. We tend to care about as much about our customers' businesses as we do our own. We're a machine shop founded in 2007 out of our garage at home. We've grown to have 8 employees and have about 8,000 square feet of manufacturing space on Janesville's south side. Always looking to expand and grow, but we're also content being kind of a small, family-oriented type of business. So our shop specializes in precision CNC machining. It's a trade I've been in since the late 90s. I was working full-time at a local machine shop here in Janesville for a number of years, and they were very gracious and worked with me as I made my way through college. Eventually ended up with a management degree from UW-Whitewater in operations management, and ended up managing a larger facility and worked there for a number of years until my itch to start our own business got the better of me. Started the business, officially incorporated it in 2007, but I took it as a full-time endeavor in 2008. So a lot of the ones we're doing are very more industrial in nature, but oftentimes it includes just simple part numbers, maybe a QR code to the website with the installation instructions, instruction sheets, or put together hardware packs that are included in the box. Depending upon the particular application, we may need to do some custom cardboard, custom packaging, just to make sure that shipments are safe and sound. Our ideal customer is a company that is in need of a metal widget of some sort, but ideally they also need some additional value-add service, whether it be painting or assembly. We even get into some smaller weldments, but then we also offer packaging and kitting services, so we can take a product and have it shelf ready with consumer labeling, ready to ship to a customer or ready for the store shelf. Location is pretty much anywhere we can ship to. We're located here in Janesville, great corridor for interstate commerce with the interstate system, and being close to Chicago gives a lot of hubs and opportunities. So we ship product nationwide. We do have several local customers, but some of our biggest customers are actually out of state, and we're often shipping product for them to different states entirely. Our management style is more focused on coaching and mentoring. Being in a machining trade, a trade that's maybe seen some declines in recent years, our focus has really been about that mentorship and on-the-job training, training a very highly skilled trade to our staff. And we try to focus on that, and I think that carries through to our customers as well. I also have a passion for getting engaged and involved with trades education. I've always been very passionate about the trade, and we're definitely seeing some trends changing that are increasing the need for those skills. I think one of our unique aspects of us as far as being a machine shop goes is really our focus on community and the wellness and the being of our employees and our customers. It feels like many times you don't see that a whole lot in the manufacturing world, and for us it's more than a job. It's where we go every day, especially as small business owners. It's as much part of our life as our home life, and so we try to make sure that our work life is as good for our well-being as our home life. So I think, and having those philosophies and those ideas, I think, becomes evident when our customers and partners are working with us. So if you're in the need of machine components or manufactured items, feel free to give us a call. Reach out to us via email, or we also have contact forms on our website. If you also have interest in getting into the machining trade or manufacturing in general, we always love the opportunity to train and work with individuals that are interested.